Our valve diagnostics equipment helps to complete our suite of services we can offer, whether this be upgrades, retrofits, problem solving on site, or just generally customer support. We have an extensive product range. We have details of our own equipment, so we're able to understand what we've supplied, and we're able to understand the data because we've built the valve from the ground up, we've designed it, we know what we're looking for. Unlike a lot of people who are just doing valve repair, they don't necessarily understand why certain features are built into valve trims, why ideas were in there, why certain designs were there, and those are the kind of things that we can work with and have an understanding of.